We have active weather right now. I'm meteorologist Summer Sky. I'll show you radar and the forecast in a moment. First, current conditions. New York City is currently light rain and 58 degrees. Chicago is 60 degrees, and Los Angeles is overcast and 60 degrees. Some severe weather is expected in the United States. Widespread showers and storms will bring scattered to numerous instances of flash flooding to portions of the central Gulf Coast on Wednesday. Cooler, below-average temperatures will persist across much of the southern tier of the country, while the north-central and western U.S. will see above-average temperatures. A slight risk of severe weather is also in place for parts of the Texas Gulf Coast, mainly for the threat of large hail. Now, the extended forecast. On Wednesday, Atlanta is expected to be moderate rain with a high of 68 degrees, while Chicago is expected to see overcast skies with a high of 66 degrees. Looking ahead to Friday, Denver will be 76 degrees and sunny, while San Francisco will be 56 degrees and misty. Stay with us for daily weather updates on YouTube, Facebook, and more to come.